How to download apps from Google Chrome in iPhone. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open Google Chrome on your iPhone or iPad. Once inside the Google Chrome, in the search bar, type the name of the app you want to download. Once done, if it is available in the App Store, you will see a link to App Store in the search result. But if you want to download it from the Chrome, then simply type down the app name and type down the download later. Now navigate to the official website of the app, and there you can see download option available there. As you can see, there is download in short app option available, and you can see the get or install option available on your screen after you tap on it. Now all you have to do is tap on the get and download it to your device. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.